Hello, zbiħ tiegħi, jiena Miss Julie u hekk nitalmu nieħdu gost flimkien. Tfal, illum l-istorja li se naqraw hija vera sabiħa u jekk intom qegħdin jogħġbukom dawn l-istejjer infakkarkom li tistgħu tagħmlu subscribe kif ukoll tafsu il-buttuna li għandha qampina biex intom tkunu dejjem tafu meta jiena ntella video ġdid. Illum tfal l-istorja li se naqraw hija There was an old lady who swallowed a fly u kif tistgħu taraw minix qiegħda waħdi imandi lis-sinjura old lady. Tittejdilhom hello, I don't understand Maltese. Bl-Ingliż di biss tifhem. Where are you from? I'm from England. Oh, are you really? And what is the story about? Well, I like to swallow stuff, so today you're going to see me swallowing stuff, okay, children? You don't chew the stuff at first. No, I just swallow them. Oh, okay, bjek. Titmur tpoġġi bil-qeda English. I forgot. Would you like to go sit down? Yes, please, because I'm tired. Okay, mela, ħanpoġġi għawek l-sinjura tagħna old lady u ħanibda l-istorja bl-Ingliż. There was an old lady who swallowed a fly. It's illustrated by Pam Adams. There was an old lady who swallowed a fly. Bzzz. I don't know why she swallowed a fly. Perhaps she'll die. Look, there is a fly in her stomach. Can you see it, children? How random is that? There was an old lady who swallowed a spider. A spider? What? That wriggled and wriggled and jiggled inside her. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. Oh, I don't know why she swallowed the fly. Perhaps she'll die. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. She swallowed the fly. Why? There was an old lady who swallowed a bird. A bird? Zip, 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 zip. A bird? Oh my, oh my. How absurd to swallow a bird. She swallowed the bird to catch the spider. She swallowed the bird to catch the spider that wriggled and wriggled and jiggled inside her. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. She swallowed the fly. Why? Look now, children. This is outrageous. There was an old lady who swallowed a cat. She swallowed a cat. Meow, meow, meow. She swallowed it. She swallowed the cat to catch the bird. Okay. She swallowed the cat to catch the bird. How absurd to swallow a bird. She swallowed the bird to catch the spider that wriggled and wriggled and jiggled inside her. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. She swallowed the fly. Why? How random. There was an old lady who swallowed a dog. O-M-G. A dog. She swallowed a dog. She swallowed the dog to catch the cat. She swallowed the dog to catch the cat. Fancy that. Swallow a cat. She swallowed the cat to catch the bird. How absurd to swallow a bird. She swallowed the bird to catch the spider that wriggled and wriggled and jiggled inside her. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. She swallowed the fly. Why? Look how many animals are inside her now. I think she's a bit weird, is she? There was an old lady who swallowed a cow. What? A cow? A cow? don't know how. She swallowed the cow. She swallowed the cow to catch the dog. She swallowed the cow to catch the dog. What a hog to swallow a dog. She swallowed the dog to catch the cat. Fancy that, swallow a cat. She swallowed the bird to catch the spider that wriggled and wriggled and jiggled inside her. She swallowed the spider to catch the fly. She swallowed the fly. Why? Look at her tummy. It's going to explode. There was an old lady who What? There was an old lady who swallowed a horse. She's dead, of course. She died. Oh no. It's a joke. Of course it's a joke. You cannot swallow everything. So you're not dead. No, I'm not. But can you remove all this stuff from my belly, please? If you want to. Let's see what she swallowed, children. She swallowed a horse. Yes, she swallowed a horse. What else did you swallow? Look inside. What's this? It's a cow, children. She swallowed a cow. What is this, children? Let them see. What's this, children? Yes, it's a dog. What else? And this? It's a cat. Yes, it's a cat. What's this, children? Yes, children, it's a spider. And this is the fly. Can we go around and swallow stuff at random? No, it was only a joke. Let me fix your mouth because it's a bit silly. There you go. It's only a joke, children, and we don't swallow stuff. We only swallow food which we actually chew first. Exactly. We only swallow food which we chew. Aħna tfal nibilaw biss affarijiet ikel li eventualment nimodu qabel nieklu. Ħajma, din l-istorja ħawditni. Oġbitkom imma tfal. Jekk oġbitkom tfal, għamlu thumbs up u nfakkarkom biex tfal jekk tridu tistgħu tqalbu naqra fiċ-channel u taraw xem għax hemm iktar stejjer minn di u sakemm jiena ntella storja oħra intom tkunu tistgħu taraw l-istejjer li tellajt. Let's say bye, dear old lady. Bye, children. I see you next time. No, you won't be seeing them next time. I will definitely read another book because this one made me feel a bit nauseous. Bye, children. Mwah.